Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of another large drop in dairy prices early this morning. The latest global dairy trade auction recorded an overall fall of 8.4% in US dollar terms, with whole milk powder pricing falling 11.5% and cheddar down 10.2%. Butter fell 9.6%, while skim milk powder took the least hit, down 6.5%. These are falls from just 3 weeks ago. Compared with the start of 2014, they represent a fall of almost 40%. The New Zealand dollar fell at the same time, although not quite as sharply, and that has limited the drop in local currency. We're down 5.2% in New Zealand dollar terms. But it's still a major fall and will immediately throw the recent Fonterra dairy payout into question. A figure below $6 a kilo is now entirely possible, challenging many dairy farm budgets. In the rest of the world, the news is not so grim. In the US, the closely watched ISM non-factory index came in higher than expected, with service industries such as builders and retailers growing in July at the fastest pace since December 2005. Factory orders grew in June to their highest level since 1992, when the data was first collected. On the other hand, China's service industries stagnated in July as the HSBC index fell to a record low, suggesting the government's stimulus measures are failing to gain traction outside of manufacturing. In Australia, the RBA kept its cash rate target unchanged at 2.5% as expected late yesterday, and surprised no one with its commentary. Equity markets are down sharply in New York today in late afternoon trade as some recent earnings reports disappointed. US Treasury 10-year yields rose to 2.51%. The oil price fell again today on the US benchmark and is now under $98 a barrel. On the Brent benchmark, it is now under $105 a barrel. Gold, however, rose marginally and is now at $1,281 an ounce. We start today with the New Zealand dollar down following the dairy auction. We're now at just under 84.7 US cents, just over 91 Aussie cents, and the TWR is down to 79.4. And don't forget more important local news today. The unemployment data for June will be out at 10:45 this morning. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.